Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing 14 fall and winter vignettes that bring warmth, texture, and simple beauty into every room of your home. Each vignette stands on its own, but viewed together, they offer a simple, cohesive way to bring the season into your home. These vignettes are meant to inspire you, whether you love a minimalist touch, a cozy rustic look, or something fresh and wintry. I hope that you'll find ideas here that help you make your home feel warm and welcoming through the colder months. So, settle in, grab a cup of tea, and let's take a walk through each space and enjoy these seasonal moments one at a time. Create a modern rustic entryway that feels warm and welcoming from the moment you walk in. Start with a simple wood console table and layer a neutral runner for softness. Add a brass or ceramic lamp with a linen shade for that gentle evening glow, and a glass vase with gathered branches for height and seasonal color. A small bowl of pine cones or a stack of well-loved books bring a cozy, collected touch. Finish with a cinnamon or cedarwood candle for that subtle fall fragrance. The result is a grounded, inviting space, rustic, refined, and perfect for mid-fall evenings. There's something comforting about the soft, steady glow of candlelight as the season begins to turn. A round oak tray becomes the heart of this vignette. 5 golden pillar candles, casting their warm light across eucalyptus sprigs, amber mums, and scattered pine cones. Each piece feels gathered rather than arranged, inviting an easy sense of calm. At the center, a small, stylized acorn adds a quiet, unexpected touch, a nod to nature and the beauty of simple things. The light is golden and grounding, like late afternoon sunshine lingering just a little longer. It's a moment of warmth and reflection, the gentle pause between fall's richness and winter's calm. A mid-century coffee table is the perfect spot to bring a little autumn glow to your living room. Start with a low-profile tray to anchor the look, something in wood or matte black for contrast. Add a sculptural vase with a few amber or rust-colored stems for warmth and height. Include a simple candle in glass or brass to catch the evening light, and a small stack of art books or coasters to create balance. The mix of clean lines and natural materials brings that cozy mid-century feeling to life. Timeless, relaxed, and beautifully understated. With soft instrumental music playing and a candle flickering nearby, this space feels effortlessly calm. A little reminder to slow down and enjoy the season. Soft shades of sage and lavender bring a hint of the meadow indoors. Gentle color, quiet fragrance, and texture that feels alive. In this vignette, 3 candles sit at the center of a woven tray, their warm light drifting across layers of eucalyptus and soft green leaves. Tucked between the greenery, a small white rabbit adds a touch of whimsy, a small detail that makes you look twice. The mix of scent, texture, and light feels like early evening in late autumn, peaceful, grounded, and beautifully simple. A dining room sideboard is the perfect spot to capture the warmth of the season. Begin with a simple linen runner to define the space and add gentle texture. Place a cluster of pillar candles in varying heights down the center. Their soft light will bring a beautiful glow to evening meals. Add a few natural elements like pears, acorns, or dried stems in muted tones to reflect the harvest season without feeling too formal. Balance the look with a pair of ceramics or glass vessels at each end for structure and symmetry. As daylight fades, the flicker of candlelight against soft, earthy colors creates a calm, timeless atmosphere, one that feels welcoming for family dinners or quiet evenings alike. There's a stillness to this vignette, a shift from autumn's warmth to winter's quiet light. A whitewashed birch tray holds slender candles, their soft glow reflecting against simple ceramic holders. Around them, sprigs of evergreen mingle with white mums and a few pale pine cones, adding texture without weight. The air feels cool but welcoming, the kind of calm that invites you to slow down and notice the details. Smoky glass ornaments catch the light, hinting at the season that's just beginning to unfold. The look is clean, natural, and quietly festive, a reminder that beauty doesn't have to be elaborate to feel special. A minimalist bedroom feels peaceful and uncluttered, a space where light moves softly across warm, neutral tones. A simple dresser becomes the focus, styled with a few thoughtful pieces that add calm rather than clutter. Start with a ceramic vase filled with dried stems in muted golds and tans for fall. Candles in soft neutral tones bring a gentle evening glow, while a small wooden tray keeps everything gathered and balanced. A smoky quartz crystal adds a subtle, natural touch. It's grounding and quietly elegant. This vignette is calm, simple, and easy to live with. A quiet reminder that fall beauty doesn't need to be loud to feel complete. This vignette brings a touch of early winter into your home in a way that feels warm and welcoming. A dark metal tray holds 3 ivory candles, giving off a soft, steady glow. Around them, cedar branches create a rich base of greenery, with white ranunculus blooms and a few dried seed pods adding gentle texture. The mix of fresh greens and soft white flowers is both seasonal and relaxed, nothing overdone or fussy. And tucked into the arrangement, a small hand-carved wooden bird adds a bit of charm and personality. With the candles glowing and the greenery filling out the tray, the overall effect is simple, inviting, and perfect for settling into the early winter evenings at home. A small corner of the kitchen becomes a gentle nod to the season. Layer a wooden cutting board as a base, then add a simple ceramic pitcher filled with fresh herbs or dried wheat. A candle in a glass jar brings a soft flicker of light, and a bowl of apples adds color and freshness. Everything feels useful, natural, and unpretentious, the kind of styling that looks beautiful without trying. The scent of herbs and warm spices lingers in the air, making this kitchen feel like the heart of the home. This vignette brings a fresh, light touch to the winter season. Elegant white candles sit in a full bed of fir clippings, fresh sage leaves, and delicate white flowers. The mix of greenery and blooms feels bright and natural, with just enough texture to make the arrangement feel complete. With the candles tucked into the greenery, the whole look feels warm and welcoming, a small moment of brightness that brings a gentle, festive spirit to your home. And if you want to add a little sparkle, a few small, clear quartz crystals nestle beautifully into the greens without taking away from the soft, natural feel. This bathroom shelf feels calm and clean, layered in soft, neutral tones. Amber glass bottles, rolled towels, and a few sprigs of eucalyptus bring a touch of nature indoors. A small candle flickers gently, its light reflecting on smooth tile and glass. The subtle scent of eucalyptus and warm water fills the air, turning the space into a place to pause and breathe. Simple, uncluttered, and fresh, the perfect way to end a long autumn day. This vignette brings a cozy woodland feel into your home with just a few simple pieces. A round reclaimed wood tray holds forest green pillar candles, each one lit and giving off a steady, warm glow. The tray is filled with layers of cedar branches, magnolia leaves, and soft white berries. The greenery is full and rich, with different textures that make the arrangement both natural and unique. Nestled among the branches, a small handcrafted pine tree adds a personal, handmade touch. It's a quiet detail, but it brings warmth and character to the whole display. The combination of the candles, the greenery, and the natural wood makes this vignette feel like a calm evening in the woods. Simple, thoughtful, and perfect for winter. The dining table becomes a gentle celebration of the season. Simple, balanced, and warm. A soft linen runner anchors the centerpiece, where slender candles flicker beside pine cones, acorns, and evergreen sprigs. A few delicate mums add a hint of freshness, blending beautifully with the natural textures of wood and ceramic. Nothing here feels staged or formal, just the quiet charm of autumn gathered together in one simple moment. As the light fades, candlelight takes over, reflecting softly against the muted tones of the table. This is fall at its most graceful, understated, natural, and endlessly inviting. There's something special about creating a little moment of beauty right before Christmas. This vignette is all about warmth, light, and the cozy glow that gives your home a festive feel during the holidays. A round brass tray sets the stage, and ivory candles bring a soft, steady light that reflects gently across the metal. Around them, lush evergreen branches form a full, natural base, with red and white roses tucked in for color and softness. A few clusters of bright berries add that extra bit of festive charm. Tucked into the greenery, a single porcelain reindeer adds a graceful touch and gives the whole display personality and a sense of tradition. Together, the greenery, candlelight, and warm holiday tones create a vignette that feels timeless, a display you can enjoy all season long. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope these vignettes gave you a few ideas to bring into your home as we move through the fall and winter months. Each one is simple in its own way, and sometimes that's all we need, just a small moment that adds warmth and charm to a space. If you found something here that inspires you, I'm so glad. Take what fits your home and your way of living and make it your own. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.